In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert multiple worksheets into a single PDF from one Excel workbook. This is really useful when you have a report, a dashboard, or a multi-sheet document in Excel, and you want to share it in a clean, professional format that's easy to view and print. Instead of sending several separate files, you'll end up with one neatly organized PDF. First, open the Excel workbook that contains all the worksheets you want to include. Take a moment to review your sheets and make sure everything looks the way you want. Check your titles, headers, and any charts or tables. It's a good idea to adjust your column widths and row heights so that nothing is cut off when you convert to PDF. Next, decide which worksheets you want in the final PDF. If you want to include all of them, you can leave everything as is. If you only want certain sheets, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each sheet tab you want to include. This will group those worksheets together. You'll notice the selected tabs change color slightly to show they're grouped. Now, we need to set up the page layout so the PDF looks clean. Go to the Page Layout tab in Excel. Here, you can change the orientation to portrait or landscape, depending on your content. For wide tables, landscape often works better. You can also adjust margins and scaling. If some columns are getting cut off, try using the Fit Sheet on one page or Fit All Columns on one page option so everything fits nicely. Once your layout is ready, we'll export to PDF. Go to the File menu, then choose Save As or Export, depending on your version of Excel. In the File Type dropdown, select PDF. Before you save, look for the Options button or similar settings. Here you'll see choices like Active Sheets or Entire Workbook. If you grouped specific sheets earlier, choose Active Sheets. If you want every sheet in the workbook included, choose Entire Workbook. Confirm that the page range is set the way you want. Then choose a folder location and give your PDF a clear descriptive name. Click Save or Publish, and Excel will generate a single PDF that includes all the selected worksheets in order. After it finishes, open the PDF to quickly scroll through and check that each page looks correct. If something is off, go back to Excel, tweak the layout, and export again. And that's all you need to convert multiple Excel worksheets into one clean shareable PDF.